All right, before we get too carried away, Vern found a 10 mil. Perfect. Okay, so what we ended up doing, you can see in there, we wrapped around a piece of 045 TIG wire. Okay, bring it over here, bend it, and now we have throttle. As of right now, we're gonna put this little guard and breather. That will change soon. But just get it going. So we got that. We need an exhaust and fuel. So bear with us. We are gonna get this thing done tonight. I'm not going to sleep until we do. Neither is Vern, because I'm his ride. So damn it. All right, here we go. So we'll clean that up, but now we need to figure out how we want to wrap our pipe around. I think I just want to do a dump, but we don't exactly have a pipe bender or a tube bender. So we're gonna have to make some pie cuts and try not to restrict as much as we possibly can, but in the end, it's just a stock mini bike. So here we go. Hold tight. All right, got a couple pieces cut out. Gonna start tacking up our exhaust. We ain't doing nothing fancy. We just want to get out and ride. So. And that is all we're gonna do. I mean, besides weld it out, but we're just gonna stick a little shorty pipe out here, dump it out, and we're gonna see if we can get that gas tank on. See if we can get it running. Oh, galvanized. Yeah, I love that galvanized.
Don't breathe it in. Shield.
Just gonna tag her in place so we can ride her. Alright. Vern's got the oil in. All we need to do, guess, get her on the ground. Put some gas in her and see what happens. Right. Okay. That'll work. Need a splash.
Alright, gas cap's over there.
Oh. Fantastic. We're ready, always. Except I don't know where the gas cap is. Just wild goose chase for gas cap. Nothing to worry about, really.
No.
So, gas cap's on. There. There. Fuel on. Choke on. Hold that. Oh, header off. Don't give her too much. You gotta break it in. Got a little gas leak, no worries. Take her out, buddy. Okay, so it seemed to shake a couple of our zip tie mounts because, you know, got a little excited here. It's getting late. We've both put in a day's work so far. I think we need a little air in the tires. And tell you what, my hips not used to that where the bars are. It's a little wild, but we get some air in the tires and we'll start her up again and we'll see how it goes.
Oh, he's got his headlight on. Watch that. Let's spin that bad boy around. Yeah.
Okay, so I bent these handlebars back because I don't have brakes. That's where I want them anyways, so we're gonna have to find a braking solution.
Your light's on. Killing me.
It's yeah, we gotta find some brakes.
Okay.
But
did it start to gain speed on you?
Oh, yeah, coming down the hill a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna tighten these handlebars down. Gonna find some brakes. I got some brakes. I don't know exactly how well they'll do. They're about the cheapest ones you can get on Amazon, so we'll see. So stay with us. All right, y'all. Here is our almost finished product. So we got our pipe wrap on here, our muffler wrap. That sucker gets hot. So went and got some muffler wrap. We had a little left over from I think our Harley build. So wrap that up. It still needs to cure. It's still a little squishy, but got that on there. We have got to tighten up this chain. So the next thing we're gonna figure out is how we can get a plate under here and get a tensioner out so we can tension the motor and help with the chain. So that leaving the zip tie on because why not? That's where it all started. Got finally we got the the handlebar. It had rocked back on us. We got that all tightened down good. We have brakes. It is this manual brake caliper. It's a work in progress. That's why we're not peeling everything off and painting it right now. But she runs. We've probably put, I don't know, I probably put 15-20 minutes on the motor. We will be taking and doing an oil change on this real soon here, definitely before we take it out again. We want to make sure that she's all lubed up, got good oil. Got to put the kickstand back on, and we need to weld this foot peg down, the foot bar, I guess you could say. Weld it down good so it doesn't break off on us. But super happy with it, and we're looking forward to getting it out, ripping on it a little more, and there'll be a lot more videos to come. We will be doing more of this. However, we've got to actually get some other work done so we can make some money to afford our other builds, because we don't have sponsors just yet. It's just us. So until next time, if you like what we're doing here and want to see more, subscribe, like, show your friends. So yeah, until next time, this is Restless Iron. See you later.